Now that's going to sit with you for a long time, isn't it? Dear, dear, dear.
They're communicating with him. They make you hallucinate. See stuff that ain't there. Force your hand. Don't you understand? He's their vessel now.
Who?
Them.
Okay. I should get going.
No, they want something.
Whatever happens on the boat, I really want to say, but I'm trying to keep this as spoiler free because I want you guys to watch it. Cosmic beings' minds as well. They are doing the greater good. They are abducting some of us, experimenting on some of us, doing terrible, horrible things to some of us, probably many of us, to see what makes us tick, to see why some of us are healthy, why some of us aren't healthy, what we can withstand and things like this, so that way in the future they can help us. And in the end, they're doing the greater work, even though right now it's freaking terrible. So guys, I highly recommend anybody that's into anything remotely Lovecraftian to watch the movie. Watch the movie with an open mind. Don't watch it expecting a beautiful mind. Just watch the movie, no expectations. I am so freaking scared right now. I have been trying to film this video for the past 30 minutes. And it's just a freaking 10 minute. What's that? Okay. I'm hearing those low guttural sounds, and I'm pretty sure that Cthulhu is on his freaking way. So please like the video, subscribe, and I will hopefully be back. Giggavega.